Hi there, students. Assent. Okay, this is either a verb or a noun. To assent, to agree to something. Or somebody's assent, an uncountable noun, meaning official agreement or approval for a plan or idea. So, he gave his assent to the proposal. To give your assent. Yeah, once the company or once the directors have given their assent, then you can begin this project. Okay, so to agree to something, to approve to something, to give something the say so. Okay, so the to assent to something. Do you assent to this? Do you give your assent? There was a loud murmur of assent. Yeah, everybody assented to this. Everybody was in agreement. Everybody agreed to it. They approved it. The managing director of the company assented to the new way of working. The captain of the team assented to the changing of the ball, for example. So to assent, to agree with something, to approve something, to approve an idea, a suggestion, particularly after having thought about it. To assent to a proposal, and then you give your assent to something. Yeah, so you think about it and then you say yes, I will give permission to do something. So if somebody assents to something, they give their formal position that permission that something could happen. Yeah, he gave his assent to the changes. He assented to these changes. Okay, without their agreement, without their assent, without their sanction, yeah, without them approving it and saying it's fine. You assent to something, you agree with it. Okay, I assented to his request, yeah. Okay, so you agree to it, you say it's okay, I'm going to do this. The directors gave their assent to the proposal. There was common assent among the people at the meeting. He nodded his assent to the proposal. I took her silence as assent, okay, as agreement. Yeah. I asked if I could leave, and he assented by nodding his head. This is something I could never assent to. This is not something that I could agree to. Okay, he smiled in assent, in agreement with the proposal. Everybody who was present at the meeting shouted their assent. They strongly agreed with this. So assent, consent, approve, acquiesce, to sanction, to accept, to give permission, to authorize something, to endorse it, to accede to it. So assent. This is to allow something as that it can be done. Yeah, to give your consent, to give your approval to something. And this is the idea of assent, to express agreement with a plan. Yeah, to concur. Okay, so to express your acceptance of a proposal. I gave my assent to their proposal. Okay, do you assent to this? Do you agree to this? Do you agree to allow this? Yeah, he asked if I would allow this, and I assented. I gave my permission. I nodded my assent. You also actually have royal assent in the UK. It means that a law cannot become law until it's signed by the king or queen. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Wolf, assent, formality. 6.5 in formality, 6.5 to 7. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from assentir in French, which itself comes from Latin assentio, to approve. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To assent to something.